JWT versus Session Authentication, who wins the login battle? Session Authentication are when you log in and the server hands you a secret club pass or a session ID cookie. The server keeps a big guest list, which is all of your sessions, and check it every time when you knock. It is great for classic web apps, but if the party gets too big, the guest list gets hard to manage. JWT or JSON Web Token, on the other hand, is when you log in and you get a signed golden ticket, which is your JWT. You show your ticket everywhere and any browser or the server can check if it's real. No guest list to manage, perfect for APIs, mobile apps, and cloud parties. So in summary, sessions are guest list on the server, best for small parties or traditional sites. JWT are self-serve ticket, scales for biggest ragers or the modern apps. So, want the guest list or the golden ticket? Comment your pick!